Hi everyone! Naghahanap ba kayo ng house and lot single attached with balcony? Dito lang yan sa Antel Grand Riverdale. Tara, samahan niyo ako at itutur ko kayo. Meron tayo ditong spacious living area. Dito naman ay ating dining area and kitchen area. Nandito na din ang ating common toilet and bath. Dito ang ating bedroom number 1 or guest room. Samahan niyo naman ako sa ating second floor. Pag-akyat natin, makikita natin ang family hall. Meron din ditong common toilet and bath. Ang ating bedroom number 2, at ang ating master's bedroom, na meron na ring toilet and bath. And access going to balcony, this house and lot have a lot area of 125 square meters and floor area of 130.35 square meters. At ito naman ang ating backdoor access papunta sa ating porch area and parking area, na merong provision for 2 carport. This house and lot is near Ayala, Evo City, Mega World Maple Grove, near Manila and MOA via Cavitex or Calax. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? Contact us now and we're here to help you.